My name is Muhammad Naufal Ilmi. We are Equality Dog. I'm here to present about our company products, which is Smart Toilet System. Our company is in digital technology industry. The nature of business of our company is designing, developing, manufacturing and selling advanced toilet products that feature smart lock technology. It involves a combination of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, software development and industrial design. Our company is located at Lot A1 G05 Block A1 South Bay City 43000 Bangi, Selangor. Our vision is to become the world leader in smart toilet solutions, empowering individuals and communities to live healthier, more comfortable and sustainable life. Our mission is to design and produce smart toilet products that combine innovative technology, superior quality and exceptional user experience. We are committed to providing products that meet the highest standards of safety, comfort and hygiene while reducing the environmental impacts of traditional toilet systems. Our organizational chart, which is me as a Chief Executive Officer, Muhammad Naufal Ilmi. Next, Sofia Nuraini, our Secretary. Next is Muhammad Faizuddin, our Head of Designer, following by Muhammad Farhan Ubadillah, Head of Finance. And next is Mariam, Head of Human Resources. And our Head of Marketing is Nur Atira. Last but not least, the reason why innovation needs for company sustainability. First is meeting customer needs. Customer preference and expectations are continually evolving. Innovating allows a company to identify and meet these changing needs effectively. And second is adaptation to changing markets. Markets are dynamic and constantly evolving. New technologies, trends and consumer preference emerge over time. To remain competitive, a company must innovate to adapt its product, service and business model to meet these changing markets demands.
My name is Muhammad Farhan Ubadillah bin Muhammad Hafiz and I am the Head of Finance of this company. I would like to present about background of existing product. Figure 1 shows toilets for men and women in Incheon Airport with a monitor that tells if it is occupied. There is a monitor over the entrance that displays the number of unoccupied restrooms. This will save someone's time as they do not have to walk in and check out each toilet for any vacancies. Figure 2 shows a closer look of the monitor installed in front of the restrooms. The monitor shows the layout of the restroom, which consists of sink area, storage area and also toilets. Green shows that the toilet is unoccupied, while red shows the toilet is occupied. Moving to the description of product, the concept of modern smart toilets originated in Japan back in 1980s. Kohler released the world's first smart toilet named Nomi in 2011, which allows users to set their ambient lighting, adjust the water temperature, and enjoy music with the built-in radio. Now, as technology marches forward, smart toilets have been hailed as the next big thing, with more advanced functions and features. Smart toilets also have different sensors that perform multiple functions beyond just flushing. In our situation, these sensors use infrared rays and ultrasound to detect a person in the toilet. These sensors are equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity and provide real-time data. I have two major problems here. First one is the lack of safety. Based on this existing product, there is a lack of safety functions when users use the toilet. Sometimes users are in a hurry situation to use the toilet and they do not lock the door as they forget to. Therefore, someone else might easily open the toilet while the user is still in the toilet. My second major problem is only use infrared sensor to sense the presence of human. Using one sensor to sense is not enough because there will be no backup if the sensor is broken. If the sensor fails to detect, the system may provide incorrect data to the cloud.
My name is Mariam and I would like to present a little bit about the innovation part of our smart toilet system. The first point, which is the type of innovation. Our innovation is an incremental innovation. So the general characteristic of incremental innovation: modest changes to existing products to exploit the potential of an existing design. Changes are typically improvements or introductions to components within the confines of an existing design. So keywords for incremental innovation is existing design with improvement. So our smart toilet system is a system concept integration into an existing product by upgrading the already existing toilet. Our smart toilet system have an auto lock system for users' safety and privacy in the toilet cubicle, and an occupation indicator for other users outside the toilet cubicle. So our smart toilet system is an upgrade, incremental innovation for an already existing toilet system. So product categories for our smart toilet is improvement product. The general characteristic is a change to a product which is intended to make a better in terms of system functionality, and also intended to be more than just a physical upgrade. We can see that the keyword is system function. It is not just about the outer design of a certain product. For our smart toilet system, improvement of a normal toilet with an auto lock mechanism that functions with the aid of sensors such as infrared sensor and PET sensor and actuators that will mechanically lock the door. Improvement of a normal toilet is also by having the occupation indicator for ease of other users not having to check each toilet cubicle for vacancy. So our smart toilet system is an improvement in terms of functionality of a normal toilet. Moving on to how our innovation solve the problem statement. Our first problem statement, which is lacks of safety features with the usage of manual lock. Sensors will detect the presence of users in the cubicle, and then the system will automatically lock the door regardless of whether the user remembers to lock it or not. And then the user can manually unlock the door themselves. So next problem, which is only one sensor is not enough for a good system performance. Our smart toilet system will use two sensors. If one sensor is faulty, the system will operate normally. Two sensors is best for better precision of user presence in the toilet cubicle. Thus, the existence of sensor pad under the toilet seat and infrared sensor on the wall. If one sensor accidentally not functional, the other sensor will do its job.
I, Muhammad Faizuddin bin Marzuki, Head of Design and Engineering. Here I want to share with you bill of material for our product innovation, which is the smart toilet. That have four material we have selected to create our smart toilet, which is a toilet, infrared sensor, PET sensor, and magnetic lock. Here is our magnetic lock and infrared sensor design and dimension. Our length for magnetic lock is 248mm and the width is 25mm. The length of infrared sensor is 44mm and 13mm. Their height and 15mm is the width. Okay, next is engineering drawing for our smart toilet. We have attached 4 view of our smart toilet, which is top view, front view, side view, and the isometric view. Here is the dimension that we want to attach our sensor and our magnetic lock. So we see our 3D modeling for smart toilet. Here is our 3D modeling for smart toilet. Here is the toilet cubicle, and here is the sensor that we have attached on the top of the flushing system, and here is the magnetic lock we have attached inside the door, inside the toilet door. How it functions? Once the person who enter the toilet cubicle, the infrared sensor will sense the information to magnetic lock, and the magnetic lock will lock the door and trigger the door knob to lock. Then after the person who used this toilet have finished and want to go out from the toilet, he or she need to unlock the knob, and the knob will trigger the magnetic lock to unlock the magnet here, and the person can push the toilet door and go out from the toilet cubicle.
Hello everyone, my name is Sophia, the Secretary of Equality and Co. So today I'm going to tell you what is the usability of our service Smart Toilet.
Three usability of our service. Number one is to detect toilet vacancy. Number two is to improve sanitation, and number three is to enhance security and safety. Okay, so basically, the idea of developing the smart toilet by Equality and Co coming from the smart toilet from airport in South Korea, which is Incheon International Airport, which they implement with the component of monitor, infrared sensor, software as well as Wi-Fi. So what makes us different between this airport smart toilet and our service is the additional of sensor pad on the toilet seat as well as the smart lock at the door. That is what makes us different from them.
For the functionality of this system, general layout, programming diagram for this smart toilet system will have two sensors that parallel to each other. With this type of arrangement, if one sensor is malfunction, the other sensor can still complete the circuit, meaning that the whole system will not shut down. The auto lock and monitor is also arranged parallel to each other. For example, monitor is malfunction, the auto lock can still function normally, so users can still use the toilet while the monitor is being repaired. This push button that is labeled as CD or closed door is the trigger that will complete the circuit of this programming diagram. So when the user closes the door, the auto lock will engage and also the monitor will display that the cubicle has a user inside. OD is a push button, but to disconnect the whole circuit, when user open the door, which is OD, open door, and thus the auto lock and monitor will disengage. The whole process will repeat itself.
Hello, you're back with me. So, like before, we have seen what is the functionality of our service, right? Now, I'm going to explain what is the Industrial Revolution 4.0 technology elements adopted in our service. So basically, the Industrial Revolution 4.0 that we put into these services is Internet of Things, which is IoT. With the help of IoT connectivity, we will innovate the current technology with the implementation of smart lock, which involve upgrading the current toilet system towards a better security. Our product will work with a different sensor that perform multiple functions. It will use infrared to detect the user presence in the toilet and send signal to the indicator, which will help others to find which cubicles are occupied. The use of sensor pad mounts directly underneath the toilet seat will also be used to enhance the accuracy. Once the sensor detects the presence of a person in the toilet, it will immediately send signal to the screen indicator outside the toilet and automatically lock the door to ensure the accuracy of the indicator as well as protect one's privacy. So with all the type of sensor, Wi-Fi, monitor, smart lock, we can say that our system use Internet of Things as the Industrial Revolution IR 4.0 technology.
Hi, I'm Atira, the head of marketing. So you have listened to everything you need to know about our product. But where do you think that we should sell it? So here are the target markets of our smart toilet system. First is the hospitals and the healthcare facilities. In healthcare setting, where hygiene and patient care are critical, our system can aid in managing restroom usage and maintaining cleanliness. It can also be used to track restroom availability in patient rooms, clinics, and waiting areas. Next is the restroom facility management companies. Companies specializing in managing and maintaining restroom facilities can incorporate our smart toilet system into their offering. It can help them optimize resource allocation, monitor usage, and provide data-driven insights to their clients. Next, we have the commercial buildings and offices. Office complexes, corporate buildings, and commercial spaces often have a high volume of employees and visitors requiring access to the restrooms. So our smart toilet system can help effectively manage restroom usage and reduce waiting time. Fourth target market is the shopping malls and retail stores. Large retail spaces with multiple stores and public restrooms can benefit from our smart toilet. It enables shoppers to quickly locate available restrooms, minimizing queues and enhancing customer satisfaction. Next is the airport and transportation hubs. Airports, train stations, and bus terminals experience heavy foot traffic. Our smart toilet system can assist travelers in finding vacant restrooms, reducing congestions, and optimizing restroom maintenance. Lastly, we have the sports stadiums and event venues. Venues hosting sporting events, concert, conferences, and other large gatherings require efficient restroom management. The toilet vacancy system can help attendees easily locate available restrooms and enables event organizers to monitor the crowd flow. So that is all you need to know about our toilet system. Thank you for listening.